Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a electrical outlet on this outdoor patio. If you find one of these electrical boxes in your outdoor patio, this is where you can actually add your electrical outlet, or you can install an electrical light fixture. Depends on what you choose to install, because there is an outlet here capped off and not installed to any load. And we're going to be removing these two flathead screws that mounts this electrical box. And I'm going to show you how to install the GFI. You just need to get your straight flathead screwdriver and remove those two flathead screws that's mounting the electrical mounting cover. This screw is rusted. Once you get the two flathead screws, remove the electrical cover. And you'll have your two wires capped off with wire nuts, with 3 being the neutral and 3 in the hot wire. Black wire is the hot wire and the white wire is the neutral. So those have 3 wires. Obviously you can use this to connect electrical power outlet receptacles in your outdoor patio, because they left you 3 wires, and those wires go to the outside light. Turns on whenever it gets dark. The wires with the hot wire being the load is going to power up the outlet. You can see I have the GFI outlet receptacle right here that I'm going to install on these 3 wires that goes to the hot and the neutral. Really easy to install, but you just got to pay attention to these outlet receptacles right here, to the wiring on the back diagram. Inside the box comes with the owner's manual, which shows on how to wire a GFCI. This is a tamper resistant version, and not just that, it's wire resistant, so wire doesn't get into the outlet causing a short. And it came with the receptacle with the test and reset button and the indicator light. This one takes 20 amps. And the wires in the back have this voltage contact tester, and when I tap it on the hot wire being the load side, I don't hear no beeping and I don't see red light coming on. So that means it's actually, the power is off. I don't even have a breaker going through this. This is going from the outside lights till it's daytime. No power going through it. I didn't bypass the actual light sensor, because if I bypass it, you'll see this contact voltage tester turn red and start beeping, tell that the hot wire with this wire having load as the power is on. This one's self-bonded with an actual ground, which doesn't have a ground. It's already self-bonded with this junction box. This one didn't come with a ground. It only comes with, it's just hot and the neutral wires. And you just need to take the wire nuts off to the hot wire. And it comes with instructions that you should read on how to wire this up. Even it tells you the operation to it. It's really easy. This instruction gives you the pretty straightforward instructions on how to wire. It's really important to read the instructions before you install the wiring to make sure you get proper connection of getting power to the GFI or GFCI, whatever you call it. The bottom of it, being on the right side, is the load for the hot wire, and the left side is for the white terminal connection. Just need to connect the wires in the back of the GFCI. Once you get the hot wire on the top mounted, just need to tighten the screw. Now loosen this bottom, being the load side with the hot wire. And the same thing as this one. And tying the screw, get a good proper wire connection to the GFI or GFCI, whatever you call it. And push this to the left. Push this to the left side, and you're able to get to the right side of the neutral side, which is the white wire. And you just need to connect the white wire to the line side of the neutral connection side. Connect the neutral to the load. Once you get it connected, tighten the screw. And you're all done connecting the wires to the junction. Once you're done connecting the GFCI electrical wiring, now you just have to cut this in to the electrical junction box. And you just need to tighten those two screws to the junction box. Make sure it's mounted flush. When it's all secured, now you just need to install this waterproof outlet receptacle junction box to the GFCI outlet receptacle. Mount those two screws to the electrical box right here. The electrical receptacle. Once you get the two screws secured, you just need to pop in the waterproof outlet cover. Make sure you line those top plastic till it clips in. Just gotta be very careful not to break it. There it is. So you hear a click, and it's all installed. I'm gonna go turn on the power and see if this new electrical outlet GFCI works, and see if that green indicator light comes on this GFCI. You can see I'm outside on the electrical box, and you can see there's the light sensor. So I'm going to use my small piece of electric tape and cover it, the light sensor, photoelectric sensor. And this will turn on the light to get it to bypass while it's in daytime. And you'll hear the transformer make a clicking noise. Come on, breaker. Turn on the light. There it is. You hear a click. Just got the power back on. Now let's test this new GFCI I just installed by pressing the reset button to get power from the GFCI. And you can see that green indicator light is on, which indicates that this GFCI is working. Always make sure you have a green indicator light that illuminates on your GFCI. Because if not, then that means you have to check your electrical wiring to see if you wire it properly, to see if this green indicator light pops up once you press that reset button. And this one right here is a red indicator when it tells your GFCI is faulty, which that means you have to replace it if you have a faulty GFCI. And this can tell if you have a faulty GFCI. If you see this red indicator light flashing, this indicates you need to replace your GFCI receptacle. You can tell there's no red light flashing, so that means everything is good and it's working. Always make sure you test these as according to this GFCI shown by the owner's manual to make sure your GFCI is working properly. And that's how you install a GFCI outlet in an outdoor patio. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you'll never miss a video that we upload in this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.